Manipur HOUJIK OIRIBA political PHIVAM asigi matangda party ki high command Lourakpa Phirep ta member Khudingmakna Yagani HAINA MLA YUMNAM Khemchand na PHONGDORAKLI wafam ase HOUJIK hotel Imphal Leiriba BJP Northeast ke in charge Dr. Sambit Patraga unaruraba matung paumi sing na hangba wahang amagi paukhungda mahakna phongdoklambane Chief Minister Nongthoman Biren ngarang mahaki famdagi resign tawkraba matung oirakliba political gi phibam asigi matangda paumi sing na hangba wahangi paukhum pidaduna MLA Khemchand hai HOUJIK Manipur gi oina khwaidagi maru oiriba se state asida mahausa gi tangdu leitaba phibam purakpani hana leiramba problem ama lution khrabasu state asida matau karamna normal se purakadagi haibasi achauba problem ne Manipur da thokliba irang ase athuba matamda lutionaba reconciliation gi thabak thauramsu athubada paikhalakani haibagi thajabalai Mahakna ngasi Dr. Sambit Patraga unariba seso mahausa oiramba Manipur gi phibam adu matau karamna hanjul hangadagi haibagi matangda tathok tasin tawbani haina MLA Khemchand na phongdokhi Manipur da HOUJIK OIRIBA political gi phibam masigi matangda kanabu Chief Minister oina hablakadagi haina hangba wahang amadasu mahakna makatana hai party gi chatna kanglon matung ina party gi high command Lourakpa warep Khudingmak member Khudingmakna Yagani HOUJIK OIRIBA political gi phibam asida miyamna masa masagi aning apamba wakhalon phongdoknabadi adumak legani hainasu MLA Khemchand na makatana phongdokhi
Now we are talking about how to bring back peace in Manipur. There will come after the, high command process. No, nothing. I am just coming here to discuss about how to bring back peace in Manipur. As a citizen of India, as a general public of Manipur, and as a politician, isn't everyone in Manipur love peace, want peace? So I'm coming here to discuss about how to bring back peace. No, that is not concerned with me. That should be decided by the High Command. I don't know what they will decide or not. That is not up to me. That's up to them. Yeah, we are discussing about how to bring back normalcy in Manipur. No, everything is done by the Central High Command. So we have to accept what they have taken their decision. That's all. This time I don't know nothing. I don't have any comment about calling for assemblies now. See, whatever the decision taken by the High Command, we accept it. The problem is gone. Now the problem we're facing is how to bring back normalcy. So I'm just coming here to talk about the normalcy. Yeah, I think it will start very soon at the earliest. Okay. As party, system of the party, whatever the party High Command decide, we have to accept it. It is not matter that who will be, that these are all, you may hear from anybody, but this is the way, in the near future, whatever decided by the High Command will be accepting all the members of the...
Nakalamar Chief Minister Nongthoman Biren ngarang mahaki famdagi resign tawkraba matung HOUJIK hotel Imphal Leiriba BJP Northeast ke in charge su oiriba National Spokesperson Dr. Sambit Patrana BJP ge MLA kharaga closed door da unakhi ngasi Dr. Sambit Patrana unakhiba aduda MLA TH Basant Kumar MLA Dingangu Gangmei amadi MLA TH Radeshyam na chingba yauki adumakpu kari karamba wafamda tathok tashin tawkibagi haibadudi chapchana khangba ngamki Panbayabadi Chief Minister Nongthoman Biren Haukiba Tang Nipanda Party ki High Command na Delhi da Kaurakpadagi numit adumak ke numidang pung 3 makaida Imphal thadokibane Delhi da Party amadi Central Government ke makokthongba official sing unaruraba matung ngarang nungthil pung 3 makairom tabada BJP Northeast ke in charge Dr. Sambit Patraga loindana Manipur da thorakhe Madugi matung nungthil ge pung mga makai tabada lenga asige minister amasung MLA kharaga loinana Raj Bhavan da chatuna Chief Minister N Birena mahake resign tawbagi cherol adu pishin kibane oirakli ba political ge charang na ba sinamaram oiraga Governor Ajay Kumar Balana ngasi dege phamba hungnabagi damal saman tawkiba Taranitoy Suba Manipur Legislative Assembly ki taret suba mifam adusu chatnararoi haina Manipur Legislative Assembly ki secretary tage warol thokpa laikrabane